guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're kind of stuck here with a bed that's half off, a spare tire that we cut off, and just kind of like a mess in here. So what I found is online, and what I thought about after the fact, and a bunch of you commented, engine hoist. We'll get this bed off. Now this is an 8-foot bed. It's a little kind of wacky, but I feel like an engine hoist will do. So I think, luckily enough, in Ohio, we actually have an Eastwood store. So I'm gonna head over there and pick up one of their engine hoists if they have one in stock. I'm gonna pick one up, and I'll be able to strap this and get the bed up and out of here so we can start restoring this frame to a brand new, sexy, black, fresh condition. Yeah, we're in a little pickle right now because the bed's all whacked up. But I'm also doing some other things. I probably should wash off all the rain and crap residue off this truck because it's a mess right now. But I'm gonna go and finish doing some stuff like a P.O. box and other stuff, so not only you could send me mail, but also for the business, so I can finally get the I guess a return address and get everything finalized for that. So I'm gonna do that today as well. Hopefully we can get the engine hoist and everything here and we get that bed off this truck. Really tempted about doing a flatbed. It would look badass, but also I do like the look of a normal bed. I'm trying to figure out how I can create my own flatbed because they don't really just sell them, and normal flatbeds are really expensive. So I'll have to find some steel or something, or I even thought about just cutting that bed and using the existing floor somehow to make a flatbed out of that. So I just gotta think. We'll figure it out. Oh guys, that was a successful trip. We got our shop crane in the bed. It's a cold day, but beautiful. So our windows are down here in January. Oh, this is unreal. I am super stoked about this, guys. Let me shift gears here. But I am super stoked about this. Oh, I can use this for more than just one bed. So we're pretty much set for everything now. This is awesome. Here's what I went and picked up. And this is the Eastwood 2-ton shop crane. This is for lifting motors out of vehicles. However, today we're going to use it to lift the bed off this truck. This bed is definitely not 4,000 pounds. Is definitely not 2,000 pounds. So we are absolutely fine with it. Pretty much what we need to do is access our tie downs, which are in here behind the bed liner. And honestly, I'm putting a spray in bed liner in this thing anyway. So what we're gonna do is honestly just remove this bed liner completely today, and I'll be able to access our tie downs. And we're gonna ratchet strap 4 ways, hook it in the middle, and take it out. All right, we got it out. We're gonna clean that up, and I'll probably just cut that up and throw it away. But here's one of the reasons why I do not like the drop-in bed liners. Look at this. All this crap just gets stuck underneath the bed liner, and it'll sit there forever. That actually might be rusted through there. I mean, we got some good surface rust. Just not a good situation when you have a drop-in bed liner, because it keeps stuff and everything just underneath it, and you'll be dealing with things like that. What I have are some semi straps, and truthfully all we're going to do is connect 1 to 1, 1 to 1, and we're going to have a grab point in the middle, and then our shop crane should be able to lift it up, and then we'll swivel the bed out and put it out here. Okay, so this is definitely gonna work. My only problem here is that it's not really evenly balanced. This long bed is extra just stupid. If this was a short bed, we'd be right in the middle, but because our weight's a little bit back, I kind of need someone to push down on this so I can get it past the frame, and then I can wheel it out. That's our only problem. I wish the stand was just a hair wider and I could totally like go around the tire, but I mean, this is just kind of what we gotta deal with. Either somebody needs to push down or just like lift up here, and we can just walk it back. the tougher now. What? I did that. Just in case it locks the door, you can get something in there to unlock it. Okay, and here's the current position. I'm gonna kind of reset that almost just a bit forward so I could get it to sit on the bed there. And then we'll be able to lower this front down and we should be good to go there. And then this one over here should be good no matter where we set it down. So let's slowly release this. Look at that, huh? Okay, it's semi-sturdy. Probably gonna get some other wood or something to prop it up just in case. 2 stands, I probably should have done 4. I saw somebody's comment saying that. Definitely should have done 4. However, we got the bed off. So guys, I've literally been sitting here, standing here, staring at this frame for the last who knows how long. Just thinking about everything. Well, first of all, this thing's gonna look super pretty when we're done. Frame's gonna look brand new. I'm going to do all the way up and underneath and as far as I can and get up front too. But this frame's gonna look so pretty when done. I won't be. I'm gonna get the axle and everything cleaned up too, and we'll get that all sprayed and looking beautiful again. While I was taking the bed off, look at what just got dropped off. Guys, look at all these goodies from Banks Power. This is unreal. We have so much stuff. We also have stuff on the way for our Ram. But look at all this stuff from Banks Power, guys. This is unreal. So I'm just heating up a little lunch here, but what we're gonna try is this Fury Off-Road energy drink. I know they've had it forever, but I got sent it a while ago. Now it's time to try it. How it compares to other stuff out there. That's actually not bad. That's actually quite delicious. That's actually really, really good. I wouldn't expect a tire company to make such a badass energy drink. As you guys know, my Ram back here has a multitude of products from Banks Power, but I've got their boost tubes in here. I've got their intake horn. I have their rear diff cover. So go on their website and check your vehicle because odds are they have a wide variety of products for it. So let's take a look here. Oh, this is what it is. This is a Banks Power exhaust tip for the Ram. I am going to have to powder coat this purple. You guys already know. Alright guys, this truck's going to get nasty real quick here. We got some new exhaust manifolds for this truck. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is clearly our new exhaust system for this truck. So Banks doesn't really offer a regular cab long bed setup for this exhaust. So the one they sent me for this truck should fit with slight modification, but we'll have no problem doing that and getting this to work on this truck. If we have to make our own hangers or something, that's a-okay. I did not expect all that stuff to show up today, but oh, I'm happy it did because we're going to get to this now that everything's off, getting the exhaust on and all that. It'll be so much easier with no bed on it. I could tell you that. All right, so we got our trusty Milwaukee here, and we're going to bust these nuts. Let's see what we can do. Oh, fun. I love this thing. Surprisingly, this bumper is actually quite heavy. I don't know why, but it is actually quite heavy for that, stock bumper. But here we go. Now everything is in sight, including this hitch. Truthfully, I wonder, because that hitch is in some bad shape. I wonder how much a new hitch is online here. Because this hitch is in some terrible shape, and it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, it looks like. And with the bed off, it's easy to access. So I'm going to see how much a new hitch is, because this thing is in some bad shape. Fun! Oh, does that look funny? Let's not hit the wall here. I'm just trying to get out of here. Wow, you can legit see everything with no bed on. This is fun. Let's not hit the Hellcat. So my buddy had one of these trucks, Mike. My buddy Mike from a long time ago. Some of you probably remember him. He had one of these trucks. He had a short bed version, however. His fuel pump went out. I know a lot of these are like prone to go out on these trucks, and as you can see, this one is quite rusty. So considering ordering a new one for this tank, just to be sure and not have any problems in the future, because frankly, once I put the bed back on, I don't want to do the whole thing where you gotta just to get it off. I don't want to do that. So while I'm here, might as well take care of that while we're in here. Guys, well, we got our bed off and we got all the dirt, mud, and gunk washed off our frame that was not meant to like get, I mean, any flaky rust. Yes, a whole bunch did in fact come off, but that was not meant to get the frame down to where we needed to paint. That's what we'll be doing with our Eastwood Contour SET and our wire wheel. But that is gonna do it for today's video. I gotta let this frame dry up, and once it's dry, we can start tackling that. This build is just getting started. I am so excited to get this thing just lifted, painted. Oh, it's just gonna be awesome, and I'm actually like super stoked and excited about this because I've never done anything or tackled anything like this. So this is gonna be super fun. As you can see, what I found is the guy, whoever owned this before, this brake line rusted, and he went through and just decided to wing it and run it all the way out here because he didn't want to take the bed off. So yeah, that's nice. I'm probably gonna have to deal with that somehow. Also seems to be just fine how it was, just behind the bed or whatever, so I'm probably gonna not worry about that too much. So yeah, guys, this is super exciting, super cool. I'm gonna let the frame dry off a little bit, then I'll pull her back in. It's supposed to be super cold tomorrow, so we'll be doing that inside. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.